Malampuson og full pack ang Ikatulong Hugna sa GMA Regional TV Kapuso Campus Tour, the Regional Masterclass Series nga gihimo sa University of San Carlos-Talamban Campus. Mga nagkalain-laing issues dito kay lakip na ang kamahinungdanon sa election karong Mayo. Ani ang report. Dalit sa GMA Regional TV ang pinaka-komprehensibong multi-platform nga coverage karong election 2019. Sa inisyatibo sa GMA Regional TV, gipahigayon ang Kapuso Campus Tour, the Regional Masterclass Series. Sayo pa lang naglinya na ang mga estudyante nga gustong musod sa Michael Richards Tourism Center. Dayag sa ilang panagway ang excitement nga makita ug madungog ang mga panelists.
And because we are a university, then we should function as a university, be true to our vocation. We should critically analyze the platforms and not just the personalities.
Gipanguluhan ning maong kalihukan sa Vice President and Head sa GMA Regional TV, Oliver Victor B. Amoroso.
Earning the patronage and meeting the standards of Cebuanos when it comes to news has been a hard-earned goal. We're so thankful for that we just want to give back through activities such as this. Through this masterclass series, we hope our audiences, especially you, new and younger voters, learn enough to make those tough but well-informed choices. As they say, don't waste the opportunity to be on the right side of history.
Gipahimugatan ni Ivan Limson, Senior Social Media Producer si GMA News and Uscoop, ang kamahinungdanon sa citizen journalism.
Hindi lang limited yung pagbibigay ng serbisyong totoo sa mga producers, newscasters, reporters. Maging kayo may hawak kayo ng power to provide or to give serbisyong totoo.
Samtang gisaysay ni Hector Di Macali ang importansya sa AFS Intercultural Program.
Global citizen is that state of existence where one takes responsibility and accountability as part of a group of diverse human beings. It is a recognition that one needs to embrace others and be embraced to exist.
Mipaambit usab sa iyang kasinatian si June Veneracion, Senior News Producer si GMA News ug host sa multi-awarded documentary show nga Reporter's Notebook.
Every day is a learning experience. Sa bawat kwento, sa bawat istorya, sa bawat episode, dagdag kaalaman, dagdag karunungan. Documentary starts with a good story pitch.
Ang atong Kapuso star Benjamin Alves kinsa summa cum laude sa University of Guam, di niyang natapos ang degree sa English Literature, gipahimugatan usab ang importansya sa edukasyon. Siya usab ang ambassador sa GMA Excellence Award.
Your love for learning must always be greater than your love for grades. Kasi di ba? I mean, who here, show of hands, yung pinakamataas, yung it's your highest grade, pero yung klase na yun parang wala kang naalala.
Kauban usab sa panelists ang multi-awarded senior news producer si GMA News ug GMA News TV program anchor sa Balitang Hali, Rafi Tima, kinsa mihisgot sa importansya sa new media.
In the last 10 years, there have been an explosion of new technology that have greatly affected the news industry in particular and journalism in general. How has this affected us and the work we do? Well, enormously, to say the least. They were game changers, not only for us journalists. The gathering, production, and consumption of news has dramatically changed.
Samtang importansya sa local news, mausab ang gipaghimugatan sa inyong alagad tungod kay kini ang usa sa paagi aron mapaabot ang problema sa katilingban.
Local news matters, and it would always matter. Local news has a vital function. It's a source of information and current events around the region.
Human niini, gihatagan o kahigayunan ang mga partisipante sa pagpangutana ngadto sa mga panelists nga genra usab kaayong gitubag sa mga panelists pinaagi sa open forum. Ang maong kalihukan, gihost sa Balitang Bisdak correspondent Luan May Rondina ug ni Joshua Tambor sa University of San Carlos. Cecil Quibod-Castro, Balitang Bisdak.